Grow more. Protect more. Waste less. At MicrobeBio, we believe farming should work with nature, not against it. Our Smart Bio-Fertilizer feeds your crops while shielding them from harmful pests and diseases, all in one application. Why farmers love it. Boosts yield and quality naturally, restores soil health and fertility, reduces chemical use and costs, protects against pests and pathogens, improves water retention and resilience to drought. By blending beneficial microbes, natural minerals, and organic matter, we've created a fertilizer that does more than nourish. It revives your fields and safeguards your harvest. Let's grow healthier food, richer soils, and a greener future together.
Increases erosion and acidification, causes pollution, eutrophication, and emissions, worsens salinity with salt buildup, promotes resistance, requires more pesticides, high recurring costs, environmental cleanup expenses, unsustainable, leads to dependency and degradation. MicrobeBio is launching a pilot program in the Plantain region, partnering with farmers to transform 100 hectares. We provide subsidized products, hands-on training, and expert support to ensure your success. From organic certification to premium markets, we're with you every step of the way. Join us to grow rice, bananas, and plantains that stand out in quality and sustainability. Together, we'll scale up to 5,000 hectares, making the plantain region a global leader in organic agriculture. The future of farming is organic. The future is MicrobeBio. Contact us today at www.microbebio.com or email info@microbebio.com to join our pilot program and start growing a greener tomorrow.